Local news for Wednesday the 24th of July. Centreport says its further three potential freight hubs are at the concept stage, but it's focused on completing the expansion of its Wainawa log yard first. Commercial General Manager Andrew Locke says the port's initial focus is the expansion underway at Wainawa. Daily log loads from the yard south of Masterton earlier this month climbed to 45 wagons from 30. About $3.5 million is roughly being spent to double the space and upgrade the facility, with the aim of lifting daily log movements to 58 to 60 wagons from March. Professor Frank Frizzell will be in the region next Tuesday, the head of colorectal surgery. Frizzell will speak about current research in microbiota and colon cancer at the Copthorne Solway Park Tuesday night from 4:30. Mr Frizzell was named as the NZMA Doctor of the Year in 2018. And the Carterton District Council has closed a section of the Magataneri Valley Road either side to Carrington Bridge until around 5 p.m. next Friday, or this coming Friday. The detour around the closure is signposted at Haringa and Chester Road intersections, as well as the bridge. And finally in sport, the Wellington Phoenix will play a friendly this afternoon at 5:30 against Wairarapa United, with kids having the opportunity to have a meet and greet with the players at 3:15. And James Goodyear has been named the captain of the Ferries Wairarapa Bush side. The side features 9 uncapped players and includes the 4 Tafunga brothers. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.